lisengcupheni kusasa likaSimphiwe Mondli oneminyaka engamashumi 20. Kuzomela aphendule esitholweni zokugwaza abulala usingamzali wakhe. Lesigameko siphamisa imibuzo ngohlelo lomnyango wezemfundo lokusekwa kwabafundi. Kusolwa ukuthi uthisha wesifundo se-physical science uMatefu Mphosela wagwazwa washona umfundi wakhe. Kubuka ukuthi isisulu nomsolwa bebehlala ndawonye. Okwamanje kusayindidi kwaholela ekugwazweni kwakhe.
So what exactly happened there, I think, is a matter of what the police are investigating. Don't worry about what people are saying on the ground. You know, when something like this happens, especially when it's a woman involved, people always make, assumptions.
Umnyango wemfundo esisekelo uthi angeke waphawula ukuthi ngabe umfundi nesithulu bebethandana.
It was not a legal adoption. It was just this thing of saying you identify the weak learner coming from a poor background, and all what you do is to give them support.
Inyunyana yothisha isathu iphawulile ngalolu daba.
We should be celebrating the good work that the teachers are doing amidst the challenges where teachers still experience unsafe environment where they are working. There is increasing gender-based violence, there is bullying, there is drug abuse by learner. All these social ills that find expression in the schools have teachers at the helm of having to deal with them on daily basis.
Ukulalela kwesicelo sebhail uhlehlisele umhlazi ngama-31 kwephezulu.